Another sale. We got the Nike Epic Phantom React FK. I got them at the Nike outlet for $68. Sold them for a $117 payout on GOAT. I think it was like $130, $135, and then that's the after fees. Got them on, sold them on GOAT. Sold in 6 days. I sold pretty fast. It was new without lid. Profited $49. You sell 20 pairs of shoes for $50 profit. That's $1,000. So, very good business plan for a $50 profit. It's a little bit harder to sell with a $50 profit, but it definitely pays off. So look out for the Nike Epic Phantom React FK. Nike Phantom React. Next pair we have the Air Max 95 SE women's. I found these at an outlet for $59 or 3 days ago, and I bought 10 of them. Bought 10 of the best sizes just because they're a great shoe. I ended up just selling these in 2 days for $145 on GOAT. So Nike outlet to GOAT. Sold for $145, $18.78 fees. Bought for $59, profited $67 in 2 days. Next we have the Foamposite Air Foamposite ones, I believe they're called. Women's. They're the chrome colorway. I got 4 pairs of these at TJ Maxx. I was very surprised to see these there. I just stopped in there one time just because it's right next to my local Ross, and I found 4 pairs of these. So very good. I got them for $42 each, and I've sold 2 pairs already. So I sold 2 pairs on GOAT, both with very similar sales. So I sold them for a payout of $153, paid $42, and then made $111. So times 2 though, since I sold 2 of them, got 2 left. Very, very good find. Next we have the Air Max 97 Wild West, I believe, men's. I shipped them off yesterday, so I just printed out a picture of them. I don't know, I wanted to put them in the video because these are a very good find. So I got these at Burlington for $52. I sold them on Poshmark for $249. So very good find, obviously, but it was $49 in fees. So I profited $146 on this pair. I saw some of these in youth sizes at the outlet a couple days ago. They weren't selling very well, so I didn't pick any up, but just something to look out for at your local stores. Next pair, same situation. We got the Air Max 270 Utility Triple Black. I got them in a men's 7 and a 7.5. I sold them both on GOAT. Here's the breakdown. Bought them for $28. Sold them for a payout of $80.97 on GOAT. So, and bought them at the outlet. Profited $53. So very good find. Look out for them. That was going to be the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more. I plan to be posting these weekly, hopefully, along with shoe reviews and other tips for selling. Just let me know any videos you want to see, and I will probably make them. Thank you.